Yeah, again, we see nothing but the early morning birds picking, looking for food on the beach. I guess that's where the saying came from, the early bird catches the worm. Yes, these are the only creatures you can see in the early morning. It's around 6:30. I'm walking now the same Great Bay Beach, but now in the morning, before it gets busy, and the sun gets hot. Yeah, the little birds. Sometimes you see a whole bunch of them looking for food on Great Bay Beach. The water in the background. Look. Whole bunch of birds busy looking for food, and they're finding it because they're eating and they look healthy and happy. See? And remember, Jesus used the birds as an example for telling us not to worry about food and clothing because they are well taken care of. The Creator takes care of them, He will take care of us humans too. Look, they come out early and they're finding food just picking in the sand on the beach. Tons and tons of them. I believe these are pigeons. Look. This is the boardwalk along Great Bay Beach on St. Maarten in the early morning. Everything is so peaceful. They have not a worry in the world. They know they will be taken care of. They know when they pick into the sand, they will find something to eat. Because that's the same way we should be. Should not be always worried about things that sometimes we even don't need. But just we are well provided for. We just take everything for granted and worry and cause war and problems among each other, instead of just enjoying what the Creator has given us and enjoying the peace around us. This is the boardwalk on St. Maarten in the Great Bay Beach in the early morning. There's the sea in the background. This is the beach. Look at the peacefulness of the water. You can hear the soft song of the waves against the beach. Very calming on an early morning. See? They're constantly in motion, showing that the water is very much alive. Then, the early morning beach. Before it was late evening, now it's early morning, and you still have the same calming sound of the beach, the water. The sun is just beginning to rise now. Yes, you can have peace no matter where you live, whether you have a chance to go to the beach or you have a chance to just sit in your home and enjoy the things around you. A beautiful plant, the sound of music, anything that could bring about a peaceful environment, a peaceful state of mind. Have a nice day.